Lie down on the back, hands over your head, palm facing on up. Then stretch your body. One by one, bend your both knee and both ankle joints and hip joints should be one line. Keep your backbone straight. Normal breathing continue. Then one by one, bend your both elbow and palm should be touch on the mat under your shoulder. Now slowly lift your middle body up and stretch your back much as possible. Keep normal breathing. Hold here minimum 5 to 7 breaths. Keep relax your mind. Just focus on your back stretching. Now slowly come back, bend your knee and try to come back. Then bend your both knee. Hold your ankle joints and knee should be touch on the mat. Keep normal breathing continue.